Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to install NordVPN on LG Smart TV. Installing NordVPN on your LG Smart TV helps protect your internet connection and can allow you to access content from different regions, depending on the streaming service and your subscription. Before you begin, make sure your TV is connected to the internet and that you have a NordVPN account. Now let's get started. First, press the home button on your LG TV remote to open the home menu. From the options at the bottom of the screen, select Apps. Once the Apps page opens, click the search icon in the upper right corner. In the search bar, type NordVPN and press Search. If the NordVPN app is available for your TV model and region, select it from the search results. Now click Install on the app's details page. Wait for the installation to finish. Once the app has been installed, click Launch to open it. Now sign in using your NordVPN account credentials. Choose the server or country you want to connect to. Then click Connect and wait for the VPN connection to be established. If you can't find the NordVPN app in the LG App Store, your TV model may not support native VPN apps. In that case, you can set up NordVPN on your Wi-Fi router or use another supported method provided by NordVPN to protect your smart TV connection. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.